Welcome today. We're now at one of our locations where we produce our bottles. So we wanted to show you guys around and give you guys an inside look of how we produce our bottles. I'm here with Chris.
Hi guys, I'm Chris. You guys know me. And here we can see one of the process where we buy tons of the 304 RCS certified steels and sim it into the machine and turn it into the steel pipes.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Walk it back.
You can see here also the welding process. So you can see that the welding is being done here. So from a plate of steel, it becomes a pipe. And it goes through the machine and then it will be cut into pieces. It's the base of the bottles.
And you see this process is automated, completely manufactured by robots here. So you can see the machines here, and here's where the pipes comes out. They're fully automated, and by using automation, we make sure the pipes all comes out at the same length and the same thickness. Yeah. There's no errors.
So you can see here, these are our bottles. So I think this is one of the canning bottles that we produce. So these are the tumblers. You can see already. So this is the mold that we use. What happens? The pipe goes in. Here, let's see the process. Let's see it.
So you see, a new pipe is put in, and the machine turns it into the PerTech kit.
Here, you can see it here. Beautiful. So this is the shape of our bottles. So you see the vortex shape. And this is one of the first steps to using our bottles.
Now we shape the top. This is the necking process. The bottle moves into a precision machine that gently squeezes the upper section. This forms the bottleneck, creating the threads for the lid. Every millimeter is controlled, because a perfect neck means a perfect seal. No leaks, no compromises, just a clean, precise opening.
Now you can see the workers are testing the machine and see how it cuts the Alex Eco into half.
What else? So we saw the process earlier, right? Where the pipe came out and this was actually attached to each other. This is the part where we actually cut the cup and it becomes more in the shape that we actually recognize it from our collection. Now what we have to still do is to finish the bottom, the top, with the other layer and actually vacuum it.
The next step, CopperTech. We line the inner tank with copper, creating a triple layer effect. Steel, vacuum, copper. This reflects radiant heat and boosts insulation power. It's the extra mile we go to ensure temperature retention, better science, better bottle. Now we create the insulation. We fuse the bottom of the bottle, sealing the inner and outer steel layers. Once the bottle is assembled, it moves to the heart of our process, the tailless vacuum machine. We load the bottles in and the chamber seals. Now under strict vacuum standards, the machine evacuates every molecule of air from between the inner tank and the outer wall. A peak vacuum, a high temperature, the port is fusion, welded shut, no excess still, no vulnerability, just a perfect permanent vacuum seal. This barrier blocks heat transfer, locks in temperature and keeps the exterior cool to the touch. That's how we deliver insulation you can trust.
So we're at the second floor where we mainly do the polishings here. So you can see there are some which are marked waiting for inspection. Pending inspection is already polished. So you can come here and look at some of the products.
Yeah, so here you can see all our products that are actually being produced right now. Oh, this is a very nice product. This is the calyx just before the painting. You can see a very nice ceramic layer on the inside. It's flawlessly made. Beautiful. The Calyx XL, and you can see already that it already passed the process of being vacuumed. So you see already that it has a double layer. The bottom is installed. We have the bead in. Right now, just press the polishing, the extra polishing for the sides, the top, the bottom, and then we have a finished product.
Also more Alex Eco.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's already polished.
See the products reflects on the light.
It's good to have it actually side by side. Yeah. So now you have, on this side, this is unpolished, and on the left side, you can see it's polished. Beautiful.
Here you see a big bunch of our Vita Eco XLs.
It's over there.
Our post flow series here.
Oh, very nice. These are our flow series.
Which are waiting for powder coatings.
Yeah. So now we're going to the part where they do the polishing, right, Chris?
Yes, we're going to the polishing. I think some of the workers are off work, but you can see here another polished Vita Eco. You see the polishing lines, very beautiful. And I think it's like an art piece. You can also see the recycled sign inside the mold. It's I think these are all polished. Yeah, waiting for polish for Vita Eco XL. And in front, I think the workers are polishing the Tailless Eco XL here.
Yeah. So on the other side of this wall is where the polishing is happening. So once it polished, it comes down these lines for an extra QC check to make sure that the bottles are completely impeccable, perfect, and of course, beautiful. And then it will be packed.
All the workers, polishing workers in here are very experienced because only the top-notch workers, polishing workers can finish our Vortex series flawlessly. Because if the polishing is not done carefully, the patterns will be damaged and it's not as beautiful as it looks. So this requires very high level of work and years of experience.
So you and me, we will not be able to do this.
No, we're not qualified.
We can try.
All right, let's walk it.
So this is the polishing process. And you can see already from the reflection of the bottles how nice it is. And then on the right side, you'll see that they will polish the side as well. To relax the polish, to make it nice and shiny and sexy as the product is. We made it to the final stage.
So here you see the workers cleaning the inside using the jet gun to make sure every bottle that we send out are clean. Also here you see the workers cleaning the cover carefully and make sure when they send out the cover is also shine and clean. And I think on the other side the gentlemen are lasering the spec green.
So that's the journey from raw recycled steel
Get the finished bottles in your hands.
We showed you the vacuum tech, the copper lining, and the precision vacuum.
Because we believe you should know exactly what you buy.
Every step is checked, every bottle is polished to meet our standards.
We hope you love using these bottles as much as we love making them.
Thank you for watching. I'm James.
And I'm Chris. Cheers.
Cheers.